Okay, this is the downstairs living area. This is the finished ceiling. Originally it was tongue and groove, which the client didn't like, so it's been replaced, insulated and new plasterboard throughout. This room was in good decorative order, so I just painted the ceilings up, the walls have been painted and just generally freshened up to look nice. So with regards to this room, it is all done. Okay, this is as far as the kitchen's got for now, because we've been busy doing other stuff, but same again, it was all tongue and groove ceilings, been taken down, replaced and insulated with new plasterboard. Where that support was, there was a wall, and this was the hallway, so that's been removed and opened up, and a kitchen will eventually be fitted, but that's for a later date. That was the false wall I put in to hide everything, all the pipe work and that. It'll be a few more months before this is finished, so we'll have to watch this spot. Okay, one of the other jobs I got to do is take all the old render off, take it back to the bare stonework like I'm doing here, and then I got to repoint it all in. I've got to do it all the way along here. It's only single story, so it's not too bad, and just round on this gable end as well, just there, which is only a small bit. So I've got the breaker set up, let's get cracking. Okay, it's been just over 2 days to take all the render off on my own. I'm at the gable end now. The stonework's not too bad actually. A few bits have fallen off. I've got to sort out a corner piece just there because they just concreted it in temporarily, so I'll make something up to go there. But overall, I think I can make it look quite nice. We've got this bit here which is a bit crap. Obviously I don't know what happened there, whether it was an old doorway or, you know, you never know. But what I'll do is it's a muddy clay they've used, so I'm going to grind that all out and I'll point it in with the same muck I'm going to use to point in the rest, and hopefully that'll end up looking quite nice and a bit of a feature on the wall. It was hard going though, I must admit. In some places they just literally, where the stones are, you know, falling, they just put solid muck in. They you know, they don't care, whatever it takes really. But anyway, next job is give it a really good jet wash, make sure I've got all the render off and everything's taken right back to the nice stone, and then I'll start with the pointing. Okay, we're back downstairs. All the piping's finally been finished. Just had to put that last bit in there. It's a disabled toilet, so there's lots of fixings here, there and everywhere. We've got to put a handrail on there. But first of all, I've got to close it all in. Okay, we're back downstairs in the downstairs bathroom. Just insulated all the pipe work, put up the first sheet. I'm just going to close the rest up. We've got the plasterer in, so all these beautiful pink walls will soon be plastered nice and flat. So we'll see what it looks like later on. Okay, that's the wall now all boarded. Scrim's on and I'm just putting the first coat on. So I'll film it as I've got this on. Plasterer's got his lot on now. Okay, we're back in the downstairs bathroom. Put the cement board on, ready for tiling. That's all been siliconed in. Now I've got the shower tray in and it's all been mucked in. All the drywall has been sanded down. So that's all ready to go. Walls have been freshly plastered. So what I'll be doing next is tiling the floor and the walls. Out here, all done, all sanded down, ready to go. We had this plastered as well because the walls were really rough. So that's all done. And this room is totally finished, all painted up. But they decided we're going to build a wardrobe in here now. So I'm just going to get the metalwork out, set that up and build that. That's the framework built up for the cupboard. I'll now board it and then I'll get a bit of muck on it. Okay, that's the cupboard now built, and I've put some mud on it for the first coat, so I'm just letting that all go off. And then I've been back into the bathroom and I'm setting out the tiles for the floor. It's a pre-made sloping shower tray, so I've just set it out already, and now I'm going to have to do the angled cuts going off in those directions. So I'm going to mark it all out, cut it, and then we'll start laying the floor. Okay, that's all the cuts done, ready for laying. As you can see, the lines I've put in to allow for the fall for the tray, so it's all looking pretty good. So I'll just mix up and we'll get that laid. Okay, that's the shower tray now mucked in. Took a little bit of messing around to sort it all out because of all the angles. Now I'll continue along to the end of that wall. Okay, shower tray done. We've done half the room as well. We've got to leave the other half now, so I still need access into that room there to carry on doing the taping and jointing, which I'm just going to go do now. Okay, this is the downstairs bathroom. It's all finished tiling. Done the shower cubicle as well. It's going to be wheelchair friendly, so we've all got it on one level with no steps. All I've got to do now is give everything a little bit of a wipe down and a clean up, and then grout it up. And I'll show you the finished product later on.